Hi guys, this is Luke. Today I want to show you how to screen record on a Mac. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. So let's jump right in. The first thing we need to do is click on the magnifying glass in the top right corner to open Spotlight Search. Type in QuickTime Player and open it. A folder might open up, but you can go ahead and close it. Next, move your mouse pointer to the QuickTime Player icon, right-click on it, and you will see an option for new screen recording. Open that and you can see a panel with options appears at the bottom of the screen. There are two recording options. Record entire screen, where the Mac will record your entire display as it is, and record selected portion, which let you record just a specific window or area. Let's try the record selected portion. Once you start recording, you will notice the screen outside the highlighted area get dimmed. To stop the recording, go to the menu bar in the top right corner and click the stop button. As you can see, only the selected area was recorded. There is also a quicker method to access screen recording. Simple, press Shift Command plus 5 and the QuickTime Player menu will appear immediately, ready for you to start recording. Now let me quickly show you how to record entire screen option. We have the started recording and to stop it is just like before. Click the stop button in the top right menu bar. Now we wait a second until the recording is saved. The entire screen including the menu bar at the top is recorded. Let's open the recording and as you can see everything on the screen was captured. And that is everything for this video. Thanks for watching and we will see next time. Bye. And don't forget subscribe.